The federal lawsuit over Indiana's new restrictions on abortion, a controversial law getting national attention now. We head straight to RTV6 State House reporter Katie Hines. She's live downtown where a news conference on this lawsuit just wrapped up. Katie.
Mark, the ACLU just filed this complaint in federal court in the last couple of hours on behalf of Planned Parenthood. And in it, the ACLU says the new restrictions on abortion that are included in Indiana's new law are unconstitutional and unprecedented. Representatives from both Planned Parenthood and the ACLU just wrapped up a press conference. They argue this law limits women's rights and shames them during a difficult decision by questioning their motives. Both organizations are trying to block enforcement of the new law, which is scheduled to take effect on July 1st. The law prohibits doctors from performing abortions if they know the mother is seeking the procedure solely on the basis of the fetus's sex, race, or potential disability.
This statute does something that the United States Supreme Court has said repeatedly cannot be done. It is an attempt by the state of Indiana to interfere with and actually prohibit a woman's right to determine whether or not to have an abortion.
So Governor Pence's signature demonstrates an alarming lack of respect for women. It clearly indicates that he doesn't believe that Hoosier women should be trusted to make their own personal and private health care decisions.
And Governor Pence signed the bill into law last month with a prayer, a bill that he called a comprehensive pro-life measure. He says it's an important step in protecting the unborn while providing an exception for the mother. And you will hear directly from him coming up tonight at 5 and 6. Reporting live downtown, Katie Hines, RTV6.
And this just in, Katie, from Indiana Right to Life saying, quote, Planned Parenthood's lawsuit against the Dignity for the Unborn law comes as no surprise. This is the same song and dance we have seen from the abortion provider anytime they feel their lucrative abortion business is threatened. The Dignity for the Unborn law protects the most vulnerable among the unborn targeted for abortion because of their gender, race, or a potential disability. It calls for a respectful disposal of aborted human remains. They go on to say Hoosiers believe all lives have value, and Planned Parenthood's opposition to this law just shows how extreme on abortion they truly are, end quote. Now